Okay, guys, kakatapos lang namin punta ng Cornwall Mall sa Regina. Gano'n kami ng
nasan na yung
ito, milk tea. So right now we're heading to
Turn left on Rose Street.
Moose Jaw. Pabalik ng Saskatoon. So yun ang lagi naming ruta, no? Pabalik. Though may additional travel for maybe half an hour. If you go that way, no? Rather than go directly sa papuntang Saskatoon. And you know, ano lang, konting ikot lang doon para lang makita ng dalawa.
Maganda rin ang Moose Jaw, parang
Ganda yung downtown.
vintage town siya.
Vintage town. Makikita mo doon yung malaking moose. And I think okay din, small town siya pero okay din. Ano? So sige, see you there. Okay, dito na tayo sa Moose Jaw. Unfortunately, parang hindi tayo makakapunta sa tunnels of Moose Jaw. Under construction, and then yung oras is medyo tight na. It's already 4 o'clock in the afternoon.
In 100 meters.
And pabalik
Turn
pa
left.
kami ng Saskatoon. So, well, I think 5 years ago we've been there already. Isa lang sa amin dito, no? So 4 kami dito, isa lang ang hindi nakapunta sa amin, yung brother ko dito. Siguro balik na lang siya sa susunod. And yeah, pero maganda yung yung tunnels of Moose Jaw kasi historical 'yun. Siguro magagawa lang namin is to walk around this small town konti kasi nga yun nga
So
very
maglalakad muna kami.
tight na yung schedule namin eh.
Konting picture.
Konting pictures and konting videos lang siguro ang kami may share dito. Meron kaming separate videos na nag-drive around Moose Jaw kami. And then afterwards we're heading to the Moose Jaw statue. So guys, nandito tayo sa isang side. So, isa sa mga establishment dito, hindi ko lang ma-remember kung saan yung entrance ng tunnels of Moose Jaw. But dito yun sa side na yun. And then itong dalawa gutom na naman. Pagkain na naman ang sinasabi. You guys just ate, no?
Houston pizza.
Houston at the Boston, right? Houston? Okay. That's good. We can try if you guys want. Okay, so basically dito under construction talaga. Wala talagang walang makakapasok dito unless you guys need to walk from your parking spot. No? But I just don't know where. I think we're lost already. I think we have yes, I think we can't cross there, you know. We should take the other side.
Sana sa post yun na office.
Yeah.
Malayo.
And maybe the last viewing it's already up. Yeah. So from there I think that's the tunnels of Moose Jaw office. So, mukhang alanganin tayo. So at least guys, oh, you're not allowed to. Hindi ka pwedeng tumawid dyan. Oh yeah, they're right. Houston Pizza, not Boston. I think you guys want pizza? Come on, Anwar, treat me. Treat me, Anwar. Asian noodles. So guys, ang daming dito, ano? Ang daming mga kainan dito, no? So, you guys have all the options. If you wanna eat something like meron ka mga options, nakita ko doon. Pero ako, kahit alin dito pwede kong kainin. I saw some Asian restaurant, pizza house or whatever you guys call that. I saw them from here. Okay, so like just crossing it, and then yeah. Now guys, I think that should be the walkthrough around the Moose Jaw. Napakaganda ang sasakyan nito. Oh. Okay. Already, fortunately hindi nakapunta ng Tunnels of Moose Jaw si Wowie. Kasi first, late na kami pumating talaga dito. So, it's almost 4:40 in the evening na. And pauwi pa kami ng Saskatoon. So, the only thing we can do now is to go and take pictures, maybe in a slight video.
Turn left on First Avenue
Sa may
Northwest.
Mac the Moose, pa ang tawag nila doon, yung big statue ng moose dito
In 200
sa
meters,
Moose Jaw,
turn left on
Saskatchewan.
Manitoba Street West.
So yun yung mga tourist spots dito, Tunnels of Moose Jaw, and then may mga ano pa yan, historical kasi yun eh, maganda sana yun, but maybe next time. So matagal-tagal pa naman ng summer, hindi pa naman pa winter.
Turn
Baka
left on
mayroon pa
Manitoba
tayong
Street
second
West.
trip or third trip here, no? For now, punta tayo sa ano, sa statue ng moose. Malaki yun, no? So guys, samahan nyo kami, and then after that we're going back na sa aming hometown or home city. Okay guys, andito na tayo sa ano, ito si Mac the Moose. Alright, so dito napakalaki niya. Oh my god! So, here you can find, no, sa Moose Jaw matatagpuan nyo ang pinakamalaking moose na statue, no, only at Moose Jaw, Saskatchewan. So si Mac the Moose, the world's tallest moose, no, and the most friendly feud of record. Mac the Moose regained his title, the world's tallest moose, from Stor-Elgen in Norway. Okay, in October 8, 2019, Tim Mac installed his new antlers after the moose truce was official on March 6, 2019. Already, gaano kaya to ka taas, no? Pero ikutan natin to. Hindi ko lang alam kung gaano kataas to. Pero meron pa mga ibang picturean dito eh. So, formation, we'll do some research there. Kasi talagang mataas si Mac the Moose. Ito mga Moose Dew electric talala. Okay. Get forward. Guys, pauwi na tayo. Nakita na natin yung world tallest ba siya? World tallest statue ng moose, si Mac the Moose.
Macdamus.
Dito yon makikita sa you can see it here from Moose Jaw, Saskatchewan. Just don't know how tall, no, yung moose na yon, pero you can see it from the video na ang tangkad niya. Alright guys, we're preparing na to go back na sa Saskatoon. So konting konting snack lang, and then right after that magpapalitan na kami mamaya. Drive.
Let's go.
Okay,
Make a U-turn.
thank you very much sa pagsama sa amin. Trip natin sa Moose Jaw. Until next time guys. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.